Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I am Kati, a Nigerian based YouTuber who is currently in Lagos, and you are definitely welcome. You are most welcome. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well by subscribing, subscribe and turn on that post notification so that I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. I just finished making my baby girl's hair. I just finished making her hair. Luna, show them. Say hi. Say hi, Lulu. Say hi, Lulu. Hi. So I just finished making her hair. Her hair is kind of, I don't know how to explain, but I'm currently working on the hair, and again I don't want to use any product because she is still a baby. So I'm trying different kind of baby oil. I've tried Pierre's baby oil. I'm currently trying Kuson, and Kuson is very good. Yeah, she uses Kuson soap, and I felt like, okay, let me try Kuson baby oil too. Let me talk now. Let me talk. I kiss your mom. Let me talk. Calm down. Carry your juice. So I don't know why this place is dark, though the light just went off now. Just went off. So I have tried Kuson baby soap, and I don't know. It's kind of working. It's working because whenever I use it, I get to comb her hair easily, number one, and secondly, the hair gets to take time before it tangles back, because her hair is this kind of hair. She has a lovely hair while I gave birth to her. When I gave birth to her, even while growing up, so this her hair issue, all this wahala started when I cut her hair. So growing back another one, I was thinking she's going to grow this babyish hair, but I did not see any babyish hair.
You just came here to open pure water. Can't you say, Mommy, I want to drink pure water? Can't you say that? Go do no men, no. Don't know what's wrong with you. Don't know. Guys, I have this what's it called? Oha leaf. I want to prepare oha soup, but I don't have the ingredients complete right now. See another one. You guys should tell me, what have I done to this girl to deserve all these things? It's every day I used to arrange this girl's clothes. Every day.
So guys, the last time I posted where Luna scattered her clothes, I posted it on my WhatsApp. She has been doing this, not today, not once, not 2 times, not 3 times, to the fact that I stopped arranging her clothes. Like, I used to wash her clothes, fold her clothes, and iron some that I need to iron, that needed to be ironed, okay? But recently she started, like, if she opened that wardrobe, she would just start bringing out the clothes. So recently I totally stopped folding the clothes, okay? You understand? I would just wash the clothes, bring them in, and dump it inside the wardrobe. I don't even bother to arrange the clothes. So the other day I posted it on WhatsApp, and someone said, like, few people suggested that whenever she scatter it, that I should just bring her there with me and tell her, let's pack it together. So that's what I'm about to do now, because this girl will not keep putting me in trouble. Like, I am. Come back, let's arrange it. Come back. We are the one that scattered it. Come, let's arrange it. Come back here, come here. Oh yeah. Take. Take this thing. Take. Yeah, put it in. Take. Me, I'm doing it. Start doing it now. Come here. Put it there. If not, I will lash your bum. Put it there. Put it. Good girl. Do it. See this one. Put it. Good girl. Aha. Take. Put it. Let's get one. Good girl. Clap for yourself. Hey, clap for yourself. Take. Take it. Put it there. We're doing a good job. Good girl. See the drawers I wore you. Drawers I wore you. See the way you scattered it. Take. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Take. Yeah. Come out from there. Come here. Oh yeah, drop that stuff. Drop it. Drop it. Luna, what did I say? Drop that thing. Drop that thing. Can't keep it, oh yeah. God will not let you fall. Yes, good girl. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Now say hello. Say hi, guys. Say hi, guys. Now say hi, guys. Say hi, guys. Say hi. Say hi. Now clap for yourself. Clap for yourself now. It's only biscuits you know how to eat. Only biscuit, eh? Only biscuit, that's what you know how to eat. Eh, this girl. Only biscuit. What have you done this morning? Say hi. What have you done this morning? So guys, big madam is sleeping. She has been sleeping for like 40 minutes now, so I on this fan for her so that she won't feel heat. I'm currently doing some cleanings and all that, so I'm done arranging the house. I just want to sweep these dirty areas. So I'm frying some fish, titus and what's it called? Croaker fish. Just one middle of croaker fish. Then the rest are titus fish. So this is the fish I just fried now. Yeah. This fish is tempting me. It's tempting me, like it's tempting me. I want to use it and drink garri, but how am I going to use in this Buhari regime? Am I going to use titus to drink garri? Kiki, Gigi, Gigi, Kiki, Kiki. See glow now. This black stuff here is, I don't know, will I say burnt? I don't dye my hair again. I don't dye again. So I got this from the dye. So guys, this hair is becoming shapeless. I think I need to visit the barbing salon, the barber shop, take it down, like reduce it and yeah, carve it, because we aren't ready. Like, we are not ready to make hair this 2023. I am not ready. So guys, I cannot kill myself. I said let me take the middle, like let me take the middle of the fish. So here is the middle, and I and Luna will be using it to drink garri. This is garri here. Because this life, if you have money, enjoy anything that hungers you. If you have money, enjoy anything, like any damn thing that you want to enjoy, because once you die, there is no second chance for you. So I decided to eat this thing because while my brother was alive, whenever you manage to talk to him on phone, he will tell you, Auntie Forma, I want clothes, I want shoes, I want drink, I want biscuit, I want this, I want that. And I used to get him the one I was able to afford. Like, I tried my best. And I'm happy I did that for him. Because all those things that hungered him, all those things he was craving for, I got them, and thank God he was able to eat them before he left this world. So if you know you have something, if you know you have money, take care of yourself. If anything hungry you, if you have the money, please eat. But not that you go and borrow to eat it, or you go and rob to eat it. No, I'm not in support of that one. But if you have the money in your pocket, like you know you worked for the money, and maybe you were like, if I spend this thing, this one, that one, please eat anything that hungry you, okay? Anything that hungries you. Because this life, bofumbia, bofumbia. guys, let's talk about the Naira, the new Naira note palava. So yesterday, hubby was supposed to go and buy something from the market. Then he didn't see where to withdraw money. Okay. Luna don't chop past me. She has eaten more than me. So he went to withdraw money, but he went to 3 banks yesterday. He didn't see any money to collect from those 3 banks. Like, the banks were not dispensing money. So he was stranded. He don't know what to do because he needed to get food for the house. It's like 3 banks, but he didn't see money to withdraw. He called me, even called me and said that I should check a POS close to my house if they can withdraw money for me. I was like, no, that the guy did not even have money since morning. So when he came back, he bought so many things. I was like, where did you see money to buy all these things? He said one man came to pay the child's school fees, and luckily for him, I left fish here. I turned back and Luna have eaten all the fish. Hey, eat the bruta. Eat the bruta. They're very brutal. So he said one man came to pay school fees and it was with 30,000 or so. And he was looking for somewhere to, like, somebody to do transfer and collect the cash. Because they used to pay their school fees online with all these, their invoice, draft, and the rest. But the man told him, you give me 200 naira for 30,000. If you see the way he grabbed the opportunity, when they are collecting, POS now are collecting 2,000 naira. Are collecting 1,000 naira, they are collecting 300. No fuel, no lights, no money. Like, how will you bring out new Naira notes and you don't even have enough to dispense to people? And you are giving them deadline to stop using the Naira notes. It's remaining 9 days. 9 days now. I heard they postponed it to February 10th or so. And today is February 1st, so it's remaining 9 days. I'm not sure it's possible. We're going to suffer. This suffering, till after election, we will see the suffer. But my prayer is that God blesses Nigeria with a good leader, because this is so tiring. Nigeria is so tiring to. So my neighbor that went to the bank yesterday said they are dispensing 10 naira notes, 5 naira notes, only 10 naira notes, 20 naira notes, 5 naira notes in banks. Like, no 100 naira, no 200, no 500, and no 1,000. Like, I don't know where the new notes went to. I don't know. This Nigeria get problem. Nigeria get problem. 1 liter of fuel now in some places is 500 naira per liter. 500 per liter. I overheard somebody saying that 50 liters is 50,000 naira. 40 liters is 60 liters is 60,000 naira. I was inside the house when I overheard somebody. I think he bought it. That's why he's saying that, and he's lamenting. Like, I don't know. My only prayer is that God give us a better leader. Like, better leader. I don't know the leader that is good though. All of them are the same, but I pray a new person. I want P2B to enter. I'm not saying that P2B is a saint, but no, when we try another person, we'll see if that person is far better than the former one. Like, I don't know. But I believe P2B will be better than Buhari and Tinubu. And Tinubu, Kasapa Gariewa. I know P2B is better than Tinubu and Shetima them. So guys, see our new Naira notes for Nigerians in diaspora. This is our new Naira note, our new 1,000 Naira note. So this is it. This is how the money looks like. this is how the money looks like. This is it. We have a Clement Isong and Alaji Aliu. Naira note for Nigerians in diaspora that have not seen the notes. This is 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. This is 4,000, and I won't go use this 4,000 naira buy meat. Like, I want to buy meat. I want to prepare a pot of soup. I want to prepare oha pot of soup and okra pot of soup. So I want to use this 4,000 naira to go and buy meat from the market. Yeah. If you know how we hustle to get this money, to get to get Nigerian money now hustle. Like, you know, as I take hustle they get this money. I heard people saying the transfer is not going. Hey, I know so we are in pot of soup. Like, for this Nigeria where we take problem. Which kind of problem be this one? Anyways, I'll be ending this video here. Like, let me know what is going on outside. I'll be ending this video now. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to this beautiful girl Kati. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment, share if you can. Share if you can. Like, I know you can share now. Share my video, okay? Thank you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.